If you're still recording your screen the old way, stop. This chip just killed 3 apps with one update. You can now screen record, transcribe, and edit your content like a dog, all in one place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to exactly record your screen. So, whether you're a content creator, coach, freelancer, or course builder, this tool is about to save you hours. I've used Descript on multiple six-figure client projects, and today I'll walk you through how to record your screen and edit instantly, which will also be published fast. So first things first, come to the Descript's website and click new project and click on record. And here's you will get the 4 options. First one is record, which will, if you have a webcam on your laptop or PC, which will record your webcam. And if you also want to record your screen, you will be able to do that. And if you only want to record your audio, this feature is also available. And if just in case if you are recording a meeting with your teammates or anyone, simply click here to record them. I'll just simply select this one and whatever you choose, and simply just click to start recording, and boom, you're live. It auto transcribes while you speak. That's step 1. So step 2, you can suppose you have recorded the video, now you want to edit that. You can instantly edit your recording like a Google Docs. Once you stop the recording, Descript will automatically transcribe everything, as you can see. Now here's where the magic happens. You will see a text document version of your video. If you delete texts, video will be deleted. Voila, just like that. Want to remove filler words? Come to this underload section and remove filler words. Even retakes, even the shortened gaps. No timeline dragging, no cutting. Clips. This is editing with superpowers. Even if you want to remove the silences, this clip does that with one click, obviously. Also with this, you can level up your basic recording into something that feels pro. You can, if you want to text or titles, simply just click T and type. Zoom in and out effect, use transition modes like fade in, blur, color dip. There are lots. Add subtitles. Want to add subtitles? Go to the captions and here you will see a lots of them. Full style, you're done. Even better, you can change the script while after recording. The script will literally use their voice cloning to add the missed sentence. Type it in the scripts, make it happen. And just like that. Once the editing is done, clip publish to wherever you want. You can directly upload to YouTube or even any other Google Drive or any other platform you want. You can export them as a video or as a audio, even the transcripts. If you want to make a YouTube short or Instagram reel, just duplicate the project, crop it to vertical and delete the unnecessary parts. Done in 5 minutes. Descript is not just a screen recorder, it's your new video assistant, editor, and social media repurposer in one. For busy creators like us, this is a game changer. This saved you time. Imagine what you will learn in the next video. I'm dropping a full tutorial on automating content repurposing using Descript plus ChatGPT. Subscribe so you don't miss it.